Hey, welcome in. I want to show you a few things on the iPad. So let's get started here. In case you're having trouble finding an app or something on your iPad, just go ahead and be in the home screen and swipe down and you get the Spotlight search. And this will search anything on the internet if you're connected or on your iPad. So if I want to go to settings, I can't remember where that is, I could just start typing in settings and there's the app at the top, which is fantastic. I just click on that and I'm good to go. It takes me straight to settings. So today I'm going to focus on the keyboard and I want to do a few things on the keyboard. So let's see, we're in general. Make sure that I can go and scroll down a little bit and there it is. There's the keyboard. So go ahead and tap on the keyboard and you'll notice up here I want to talk about the keyboards. Right now I have two on my iPad. What two are those? Let's find out. So I have English and English Australia. That's funny. I don't need the Australia one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and swipe to the left and get rid of that one. But I do want to add a second one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add a New Keyboard. And let's have some fun here. Let's go find the emoji one. You know, with all the little happy faces and stuff. Yeah, that's it right there. Go ahead and tap on emoji and cool. Now I got two keyboards. I'll come back to those in a little bit later. Alright, so let's say I'm going to send an email to somebody. And when I do send an email, what would I say? Well, the keyboard has some really cool features here. So I first want to say, hey, what's up? But this is one of my friends, so I like joking around. So I'm going to go, hey, hola, right? But I remember in Spanish class you could add an exclamation point to the end, but I think it needs one at the front too. So watch this, people. What I'm going to do is put one in the front. So I'm going to tap, put the cursor right in front, and I'm going to go to the exclamation. So when I do that, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and tap on my extra features. And right here, I see the exclamation point. But watch this. I'm going to hold down on it. And look at that. I get another option. So I get an upside down exclamation point. Wee! How fun is that? I wonder if it works for other things. Cool. So hola, I'm saying hi to my friend. I'm going to ask them to do something for me. I'm going to ask them, hey, bring the following. Now, do you guys notice up here in the top, I'm getting all these words that are like, hey, what's going on? Do you mean roll? Because if it's highlighted in this light gray, that means if I tap on that, it thinks I'm going to select roll. I want roll, but I don't. I'm going to say bring the following. So I'm going to tap on following, and boom, look at that. Bring the following. So I want to tell my friend, hey, bring the following, okay? So what are the things I want them to bring? Well, we could make a little bullet point list. So you'll notice that bullets aren't somewhere. So let's go to our extras. And right here, period, right? Period's fun, but guess what? It serves another feature too. So go ahead and hold down on it. I'm sorry. I got you excited. It's like dot, dot, dot. Let's go somewhere else for that. What I want is actually right here on the dash. Like if I'm making a list of bullets. So I could use a dash as a bullet. I could use these other things or that dot as a bullet. That's pretty cool right there. All right, so I'm going to say, hey, do me a favor. When we come to the party, bring me some, how about ice? Sweet. And you know what? While you're at it, let's bring some drinks too. Okay, so I'm going to just tell them, hey, bring those things. Cool. Now, do me a favor when you come. Here's why you're bringing those things. You know why? I'm going to tell you why. Well, here's why they need to bring ice and drinks, because it's going to be like 180, I guess I could type in degrees, but that's no fun. I mean, I'm a math teacher. I want that degree symbol. Ready? So here's where you're going to go for it. You're going to go over to, I think, your numbers, and let's hold down on O. Look at that. And we get the degree symbol. So that's going to be like 180 degrees. Ay caramba. Alright, so check this out. With 180 degrees, I went to the O, or 0, and held down on it. And the nice thing about the iPad is there are a lot of features where if you just hold down on a letter, it gives you additional options, which is sweet. You know what? This is going to cost my friend some money, so I better tell them how much money they'll need. So it's going to cost my friend about $5. So there's the dollar symbol. Cool. And I'll put $5. Or let's say, let's play around with them. Let's do 500. And like I said, you can hold down on a lot of buttons, and they give you alternate options. So instead of dollar symbol, how about 500 cents? Oh, yeah, that's too funny. All right, math jokes. Enough of those math jokes, right? Okay, so cool. We got our price and our cost. So I'm going to ask my friend, hey, do you have any questions? But you know me, I like to joke around a little bit. So I'm going to type in the following. I'm going to ask them in Spanish, or what I think is Spanish. So I'm going to hold down, go to my question mark, and start with an upside down question mark, right? Because that's how things usually go. And I'm going to type in the following. Tiene. Oh, but hold on, check this out. See how the keyboard thinks I'm going to do all these weird spellings of things? Be careful, because if something is in the middle, it most likely will select it, or on the right. But you notice how it's here in the question mark, quotation marks? That's a good thing. That means, hey, please accept that word. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and it will accept TNA. All right, so let's keep going. Ask them, oh, watch out. It thinks I'm going to take Laguna. It's going to, if I press the space bar, it's going to accept Laguna, but I don't want Laguna here. I want that one right there. So I'm going to tap on that. Boom. All right. And my next word is pregunta. Right? And it thinks, look, it prevents. No, 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 no. I don't want that. I want this guy right here. So I'm going to tap on that. That's the word I want it to accept. Okay. All right. Oh, I need a question mark at the end, just as well as the front. Okay, so I'm good to go. So you know what? I'm gonna type in and say, yeah, see ya. That's fun. And oh wait, yeah, see ya. And oh wait, I almost forgot. I like these emoji things. You know, those are fun to have. But one more thing, if you don't want these suggested questions, what you can do is you can click. Tap down and just bring that bar and hide it. So if I want right here, just bring it down and hide it. And you'll notice now you got this little white line, which means if you tap on that and swipe up, it'll come back up if you want it back. All right, cool. All right, now I'm going to just leave you with the emoji keyboard. So where do you go for the emoji keyboard, or any additional keyboard you added to your iPad? It's right down here next to the microphone button. Yes, you can tap on that and speak to your iPad, and hopefully it'll translate you and type what you say. Or you could go to your additional keyboard, so just tap on Mr. Happy Face and look at all these fun emojis. Alright, so I'm going to tell my friend, hey, I'm looking forward to seeing you. We should have a good time. You know what? Bring the bacon if you have some bacon in your fridge. You know, I'm looking forward to celebrating. And you know what? Please be on time. So maybe take a rocket if you need to. And there's just so many cool things. Or if you can't take a rocket, maybe you can carpool with a buddy. All right. Hey, I hope these were helpful, and this was fun for me. Take care.